Hello BI friends, and welcome to another episode BI in 60 seconds. Data quality can be a huge issue in every project, and many projects have failed because of the poor data quality. The most common issue in the poor data quality is that the initial model, how the BI solution was designed, is not adequate to support the new user requests. And over the time, the model can have the design which is no longer supporting the additional features that are required, or simply the designer, the architect of BI solution, doesn't have enough experience to cover all the ins and outs of the ERP model to be embedded at the beginning of the design. And it can happen that BI users do not trust the BI project, and therefore the BI project fails. Now, it's not a problem if a user strikes in the ERP 1 million items and you get this into the BI that is like garbage in, garbage out, which means it's not a huge problem. These things are diagnosed really quick. The problem is the design in the model. So let's see how we are doing in BI for Dynamics. So what we are calling this project is a data validation. Usually takes 1 hour or 2 hours, and it's done at the beginning of POC. So let's have a look how this is done. Let me explain you how data validation is performed in practice. From BI for Dynamics, you would get one Excel report for each application area, and this one is for sales. And this is giving you, on the first page, exact instruction which report you have to run before we have a data validation session. Why this is so important? Because there are really many. You can see how many reports are only in the sales and marketing. And you have to know exactly which reports you have to run, because we are aware that we can only compare standard BI with the standard ERP. We cannot compare customized report because we do not have customization in BI yet. So this is step number one. Running such reports in Dynamics can take a long time, half an hour or 1 hour for running 1,000 pages, even in the background. But then at the end of the report, you take a screenshot of the totals and paste it into Excel, where the results are available instantly. We visually compare these two numbers, and if the numbers match, then we can confirm that this phase of report or validation is validated. At all time, we should take some safety distance, especially if the Dynamics is running live, because BI is not live. So we take a safety distance of backdating, and that can be 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, depends how intensive the ERP is being used, in order to have the same date period in both systems. Now, a very important aspect of data validation is also understanding that BI offers you integrated data. The data in Dynamics are coming also for one application area into several transactional tables. So there is one transactional table for items, another for free text invoices services. And BI is capable of integrating all transactional table and offered as one measure. And this can be then analyzed by different dimensions like customer, item, location, and on. Now, this is something new for an ERP user because they are used to having only one transactional table in one report. So after we are done with one application area, we follow on with the others, and in about 2 hour time, we are done with validation. Of course, counting all the preparation that has to be done ahead of time. Thank you everyone for watching, and see you on next episode BI in 60 seconds.